Pesawat regional Delta Airlines mengalami kecelakaan dan terbalik di Bandara Internasional Toronto Pearson, Kanada. Pesawat Mitsubishi CRJ-900LR lepas landas dari Bandara Minneapolis, Amerika Serikat menuju Bandara Toronto Pearson di Kanada. Pesawat mendarat sekitar pukul 14.15 waktu setempat dalam kondisi salju lebat dan angin kencang. Dilaporkan seluruh 80 orang di dalamnya selamat dan sebanyak 18 orang terluka dalam kecelakaan tersebut. Berikut rekaman ATC Bandara Internasional Toronto Pearson, Kanada.
157, we had an accident on 23. I don't really want to put you anywhere near there. Is there anywhere else you want to go right now? Okay, yeah, let's do that. Do the 180, and then November, just hold short of that. Go for now, plot 157.
Ground, Red 1 and Company.
Red 1 in Company ground.
At Whiskey, responding to the 1 Alpha.
Red 1 in Company, proceed on runway 24 left, then Delta 1. Cross runway 24 right, up Alpha, and hold short Alpha Kilo.
24 left, cross 24 right, Alpha.
I got a 787 unfortunately, currently the airport's closed
Yeah, we're not going to be able to continue northbound due to weather. We've got permission from OCC to land north end and assist with this crash if needed.
Life Flight 1, medevac, roger, proceed to north end for now. You want to land Juliet and Kilo area?
Hey, firm, Juliet Kilo for Life Flight 1, medevac. Just for my essay, where's the crash?
It's on runway 23, right at threshold, right at this intersection there, 23 and 15 left.
Okay, we got it in sight. Can you tell us what type of aircraft it was?
Yeah, it was an RG-9.
Roger.
Life Flight 1, medevac, roger. Juliet and Kilo intersection, you can land there, wind 270-24, gusting 33.
Eckler, land Juliet Kilo, Life Flight 1, medevac, thanks.
Life Flight 1, medevac, just so you are, there's people outside walking around the aircraft there.
Yeah, we've got it. The aircraft there's upside down and burning.